closed.
It's closed, you think?
Oh.
Or do you need help, Malia? Let's open this box. Look, what's in here?
Oh.
Look,
What's
look,
in here?
Open it.
What's up?
Just want to see inside?
Turn that one around. The big light in the
Here,
dining
open this
room.
up, baby.
Look, it open.
Open
What's
it.
in there?
What is it?
What's in there?
We open.
The big one there.
We open.
Look, Malia, what's in here, though? Look. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Here. Let's open this one first.
Look,
What's in here?
what's this?
Open this. What's this? What's in there? What's in there, baby? Open it up.
What is it?
Ah, what is it, baby?
What is
What is
it?
this? What is this?
Oh, my goodness.
It's a new mini dress.
Mini dress. Oh,
Do you like it, baby?
It's so beautiful.
You want to try it on? Want to put it on?
Oh, minuscule.
Mini skirt.
Yeah.
Here, give Mommy your bink and Daddy will put it on. Okay?
Hey!
Okay, thank you. Look at that.
Yeah.
Comes with
Wow.
mini ears, too.
And mini yours.
Mini ears.
Mini.
Mini.
A pizza.
A picture of Minnie, right?
Cheese.
Cheese. Hi, Minnie. Gonna put it on?
Here you go, baby. Ready? Let's put it
Oh,
on, ready?
Malia, that's beautiful.
Hang on, let's put it on. Let's put it on.
You don't want to put your mini dress on?
Put it on.
No.
Come on, put it on. Why don't you want to put it on?
No.
Look. It's a mini dress.
No.
Want to step into it?
No.
What's wrong, baby love?
Oh, cool.
Here, put your feet in. Put your feet in. Step in. Put your feet in.
No.
Do you want Mommy to help you?
No.
What's the matter,
What's
Emily?
wrong?
We open.
You want to open that one?
You can open the other one. Don't put that on your head. Put your mini ears on. There you go.
No.
Want help?
No.
Okay.
No.
Malia. Oh, you do. Pretty. Do you want Mommy? Can Mommy help you?
No. Ow.
Why are you so grumpy?
No.
I'm going to put your dress
Ow. No. I need Sophie.
on. You want to put it on?
Wait.
No, step inside it. Step inside.
No. Open.
Open this one.
Oh,
Here is a card. What do you think is in this one, baby?
What's in there? Oh,
What's in here, Malia?
what is that? Minnie's fairies.
Minnie's Fairy Boutique.
Wow, Malia. More minis to dress up.
So you can dress up like Minnie and then dress minis.
That's the best. You like that? You want Mommy open it for you?
Oh, no. Oh, no. I can't open.
Oh, Malia. This is going to be fun. More outfits for Minnie.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah, mini fairies, huh?
Nini fairies.
Mini fairies.
Nini fairies.
Mini fairies.
Oh, no. Where's the bed?
It's the best. Yeah, look.
But. Oh, Nini.
Oh, Minnie.
I stole it.
Oh, Minnie. Oh, these are fun, Malia. Here, look. she is with her fairies. And here's another bow. And her wings. Right?
Oh, nice.
And look at these fun shoes. Look at that.
Oh, no.
Oh, look at that. What else does she have? Fairy dress. Another bow. Here's her wings.
Look.
Can you say thank you, Nana? Thank you, Nana.
With us.
Okay, please.
Wow.
Wow. That's her pixie dust.
This.
Look at those shoes, huh? Yeah. Oh, look at her. See? She has her wings on. Look at that. Ooh, pretty. Beautiful. You want a dress on? Can you say thank you, Nana? Thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Oh, here.
Do you want to put her dress on? Do you need help? Mommy help? Mommy help put her dress on?
Oh.
Oh, she got purple wings, right?
Oh.
Ooh, and then she's got her fun bag.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that, Malia. Go ahead, pull it off. Pull it. You want that off? Different wings.
Wings.
Wings. Turn it this way. This way. Ready? Push. Push.